class we discussed about types of quadrilaterals. Did you remember it? Okay, what are the types of quadrilaterals? Kite, trapezium, parallelogram, etc. And we studied the properties of parallelogram also. Okay, there are so many properties for parallelogram. We studied them. So today we are going to study about special types of parallelograms. There are different types of parallelograms. We are going to study that. Okay, let's start the class. Okay. Here you can see a rhombus. You all know rhombus is a quadrilateral first. It's a quadrilateral and it's a parallelogram, type of parallelogram. And what is the speciality of a rhombus? A rhombus is a parallelogram having all four sides equal. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the properties of rhombus. Okay, what are the properties of rhombus? Actually, rhombus is a parallelogram. So, all properties of a parallelogram is satisfied by a rhombus also. Okay, what are the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary, diagonals bisect each other. That all properties are satisfied by a rhombus also. Now, what are the extra properties for a rhombus? You can see that it is a parallelogram with sides of equal length. All sides having equal length. Okay, that is AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. And the next one, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. You can see here AC and BD are the two diagonals. The diagonals are perpendicular to each other. You can see that these diagonals are intersecting at perpendicular. Okay, that is all these angles are 90 degree. Okay, that is a special property of a rhombus. Now we are going to study about the second kind of parallelogram, that is a rectangle. Rectangles are very familiar to us, no? What are the speciality of a rectangle? Actually, a rectangle is a parallelogram, so all properties of parallelogram are satisfied by a rectangle also. Now, what are the extra properties or extra features of a rectangle? Okay, a rectangle is a quadrilateral or a rectangle is a parallelogram in which all the angles are right angles. Okay, here you can see a rectangle ABCD. Okay, the speciality of a rectangle is that all the angles are right angles. Okay, here you can see the two diagonals of this rectangle ABCD. Is there any speciality for these two diagonals? You know that for a parallelogram, the diagonals is of different length. But for a rectangle, you can see that the diagonals are of same length. That is the important feature of a rectangle. Okay, the diagonals are of equal length. So, a rectangle is a parallelogram in which all the angles are right angles and the diagonals are of equal length. Okay, we already told that the diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. Here you can see a rectangle PQRS and you can see the diagonal also. Okay, the diagonals of a rectangle, besides being equal, they bisect each other also. Now we are going to discuss about a square. A square is a quadrilateral and also a square is a type of parallelogram. What is the speciality of a square? You all know. The speciality of a square is that all the four sides are equal. Here ABCD is a square. So we all know the four sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Now is there any speciality for the diagonal of a square? The diagonals of a square are perpendicular to each other. That is a very important property of a square. Okay, the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. That is, the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. These are the types of parallelograms. Okay, rhombus, rectangle and square are different types of parallelogram. Now one question. Can you say the name of a quadrilateral in which diagonals bisect each other? Is there any quadrilateral? Okay, is there any quadrilateral in which diagonals bisect each other? Yes. What are such quadrilaterals? Parallelograms. Okay, we studied parallelograms in which the diagonals are bisect each other. In particular, rhombus, square and rectangle. Okay. Now next question. Can you say name of any quadrilateral in which diagonals are equal? Is there any quadrilateral having diagonals is of equal length? Is there? Yes. quadrilaterals in which diagonals are of same length. What are the quadrilaterals? Square and rectangle. Okay. Now one more question. Is there any quadrilateral in which the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other? Is there any quadrilaterals? Can you say? Yes, there are some quadrilaterals in which the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. What are such quadrilaterals? Rhombus and square. Yes, rhombus and square are some quadrilaterals in which the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So you study well all the specialities of every quadrilaterals. Okay. So you can apply that properties to find the solution of different problems. Okay. So study well all these things. So today we are winding up the class. Thank you.